Hello students, this is Sanatan sir, and in this class we have to learn perpendicular lines. What is a perpendicular lines? Think that AB and CD two lines and they are intersect at point O at right angle. This is right angle? Yes, so these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Now the definition of perpendicular lines. Two lines AB and CD are called perpendicular lines if they intersect at point O at right angle, and it can be written as a AB perpendicular CD. This sign denoted as a perpendicular sign. Understood everyone? Now next, a line segment is said to be bisected by another if it divided into two equal parts. If this part and this part are equal, then the line is called bisected, and it's also called perpendicular bisected. Understood everyone? Now try to solve another question. Here is the exercise 5.5. Line segment AB is the perpendicular bisector of the line CD. So AB is a perpendicular bisector of CD, and AB and CD intersect at P, and they intersect at point P. Which of the following statements are true? So tell me which are the true. Here is AB, and this sign we know this is perpendicular sign. AB perpendicular to PC. Just AB perpendicular to PC. Yes, they intersect at right angle, so it's true. Next, P is the midpoint of CD. Just check, P is the midpoint of CD. Yes, again it's true. P is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB. Here is PB and here is AP. No, this is false. In similar way, you can solve all the other question. Now try to solve question number 2.1. Here is name 4 segments that are equal length. So just write name 4 segment: AD, DC, CE and BE. So write here AD, DC, CE and EB. Next question, fill in the blanks with the sign. This is called parallel sign, and this is perpendicular. Parallel line means if two lines are like this, then two lines are called parallel to each other. Now AC dash PQ, just check here, AC here and PQ here, so they are intersect at D with right angle, so AC perpendicular to PQ. AC dash TU, AC dash TU, AC dash TU. If you increase this line with this line, then you will get TU intersect AC, so it's also perpendicular. Next, PQ dash TE. Where is PQ? Here is PQ and TE. Here is PQ and here is TE, so they are parallel. Next, try to solve question number 2. If AD is 3 cm, find the length of DE. Just check here. Here is AD and length of AD is 3. Similarly, length of DC is 3. Similarly, length of CE also 3. We have to find DE. So DE means from here to here. So this is 3 and also this is 3. So total length of DE equal to 6. Understood everyone? Now AD plus DE. Question number D. AD means here 3 and DE you know 6. It's 6. So total length equal to 9. So now in similar way you can solve all the others problem. Okay, your homework only exercise number 5.5. If have you any problem, then call or WhatsApp me full freely. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.